Hey, it's Carlynn. I just wanted to drop in and invite you to come see what's new with Academy Analytics. You can stop by the First Watch booth, number 309, or the Academy Analytics booth, number 405. I hope to see you soon, and I hope you enjoy the conference. Academy Analytics is a joint venture brought to you by IAED, PDC, and First Watch. It's a continual community release module, which means that we look forward to your feedback, your ideas, and your suggestions for continued improvement. Let's take a look at some of the functionality available within Academy Analytics. By clicking on these three ellipses, you have the ability to expand this chart, export it, show it as a bar chart, show it as a line chart, or show it as a column chart. If you see this question mark, this means that there is a tutorial available for that particular widget. If something new has been released since the last time you were in Academy Analytics, that will be noted here under the megaphone showing new releases. By clicking on filters, you have the ability to filter by discipline, filter by protocol, filter by determinant level, filter by telecommunicator, or filter by hour of day. This is just a portion of how Academy Analytics can help your agency. To see a full overview, just click on the link at the end of this video. It takes about 7.5 minutes. If you have any questions related to Academy Analytics or anything First Watch, please feel free to reach out to one of your regional managers. We'd be happy to address your questions and help you in any way we can. Thank you.